Hi everyone, I'm Amy and welcome back to My Crafty Home. Today's video, I'm super excited to be here with you. I've been waiting. Look at what I have. I made a little miniature gingerbread cookie for your mug. I could not believe when I found the tools to make this, and I want to show you how I made it because if you make these, guarantee they will be the hit of the party. So let's go. Let's not waste any time. Let me show you how to make these cute little mug gingerbread cookies. I'm going to leave a link down below of where you can get these awesome cookie cutters. And here are the ingredients for the gingerbread house dough. I'm going to add 1 cup of flour. Then I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons brown sugar. Next, I'll add ginger powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of softened butter. I'm adding only a half an egg to this recipe, so I just used 1 egg and put just half of it in there. You'll want to add 1 tablespoon of water. And we can't forget the 1 tablespoon of molasses. You'll also want to put a little bit of confectionate sugar. Not sure why I didn't record that. Now it's time to mix this all up until you get a nice dough. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. And thank you. It's time to use these cute cookie cutters. You're going to want to press down 2 of each of the shapes. It comes with 3 of them, so you're going to want 2 of each kind, and that will make 1 house. Here's a little tip. When you transfer the shapes over to your pan, make sure that they are as straight and as accurate as the cookie cutters, because if they are misshaped, they will be a little difficult to make your gingerbread houses when it's time to put them all together. There you go. So now you have 2 of each shape, and I'm going to go ahead and just make as many cookies as I can with the rest of the dough. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and put them in for about 8 minutes, but keep an eye on them. While those are cooking, you can go ahead and work on making your royal icing. And here are the ingredients. Now, your want about 3 eggs is about the 3/4 cup of egg whites. Be sure that you don't get any of the egg yolk. I actually did get a little of the egg yolk in there, and all I did was just use a little bit of the shell and I scooped it out, and it worked really well. But you don't want any of that yolk in there because it will definitely flatten the egg white when you whip it. The lemon zest is optional, but you can also add just a little bit of juice if you want to, but I'm using the skin. And then you're going to put 3 cups of your confectioner sugar. Now, I made a little mistake here and I just flopped this right into the bowl, and I think that what would have been better would have been sifting it a little just to make sure like all of the lumps and whatnot were out of the sugar. And you're going to do this for a very long time. Again, another tip that I would definitely mention is put the sugar in gradually. And that also would have helped too. But I ended up whipping this for, I don't know, probably about 7 minutes, and it definitely did the job. But be prepared to be there for a little while, and but it will come out, and when it does, you're going to know because the peaks. What are little peaks? Well, when you pull out your mixer, you will see at the end of mixing, after about 7 minutes or so, 8 minutes, you will start to see the royal icing holding its shape when you pull out the mixer. So here, once it's all done, you can put it in like a little baggie, and then you can clip the end off so that you can decorate your little houses. Once the cookies cool, you can now start to put your little gingerbread house together. Now, as you see here, I have 2 of the end pieces, and I'm going to put a little bit of the royal icing on there. And then I'm going to get the sides, and I'm going to be just a little patient here. I'm going to wait just a few moments, and I'm going to put the top on there, and then I'm going to wait just a moment or two just to let it sit, and then I can turn it over on its other side. When you're ready for the roof, you just go ahead and put a little icing on the sides here, and then you'll put your rooftop right on there and just wait a moment so it will just set and it'll stay for you. Ta-da! Now your gingerbread houses are all put together, and now it's time to decorate. So I ended up getting some really cute sprinkles from Walmart, but if you can't get to Walmart, I'll put a link down below for some jimmies that you could put on your gingerbread house. And you could put whatever you like, though. You can decorate it however you like. I'm getting some cute little green Christmas trees here, but just have fun. This is the creative side, and it's meant to be enjoyed. Ta-da! These are adorable. I love these. I ended up getting, I think, about 8 gingerbread houses out of them. Look at this one, so cute. It's got like the little green Christmas tree. I'm not the best at this. I'm definitely a beginner, obviously. This is my first time doing it, but I I had fun, I'll be honest, and I'm telling you, these are the cutest. I was showing people and they were just like, "How did you make them?" And I'm like, "I can't wait to have you over for tea time or hot cocoa, and just having these for the festive holidays are going to be beautiful." And of course, I did have one break on me. I'm going for it. Yep, it's not bad. I give it a thumbs up. I have to tell you, I have a really bad sweet tooth. So I'm definitely enjoying these little pieces. I hope that you enjoy these little gingerbread cookies and you have them with your friends and family for the holiday. I'm really enjoying this cookie. Well, I thank you for being here today and enjoying this fun little video. Here's another video that I think that you'll enjoy, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.